Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure the on-off animation using the symbol in the plant SCADA. This is this is an essential feature of creating a dynamic and interactive SCADA graphic. On-off animation allow us to visually indicate the status of a device such as a motor, pump or mixer by changing its appearance when it's running or stop. For example, a motor symbol can turn green when on and gray when off. So in this tutorial video, we'll learn how we can configure this motor symbol and this mixer symbol once we press the button. Like the command is, once the command is or the variable value is true, then the motor color should change to green. Once the variable value is 0, then motor color will become gray. So we'll learn how we can configure this on off animation in the plant SCADA. So we'll open our project that we already created in our previous tutorial. Select the project, then launch the graphic builder, and we will open the page that we already created, overview page in the previous tutorial. Now, first I will select this symbol set icon from here and just click it here. Now my appearance type, I will select the on off. Then here, from here, I will select my symbol. So first I will select the motor. Okay. I will select the motor icon. For example, this. Once the motor is off and once the motor is on, then this icon I want. Okay. Just click OK and come here, and here is my tag. I will just copy my tag and then again open, and here I will give my tag. So once the tag value is 0, then this graphic will display. Once my tag value is become true or 1, this graphic will display. Okay, just apply and OK. Then select it from the arrange, select the rotate, and I will anti-clockwise, I will rotate it, click OK. Then select this tank and press the control key and select the motor and alignment. Not this one. Alignment. Here click the center. Okay. So it adjust. Okay. So now I will take one more symbol to show the mixer functionality. I will select the type on off, and after that I will select the agitator symbol. Once it's 0, this it should show this, and once it will become true, it should show this symbol. And I will paste the same tag that I already copied. Just click apply and OK, and I will readjust it. Okay, now this, here is the motor configuration and here is the mixer agitator configuration. That's it. Just click over the save button, close, and compile the project. Our project successfully compiled without any error. Click here to run the application. Click OK. So here you can see the I configure this over the Modbus address 14. So 1 bit shift will be there. So 1 bit shift will be there. So once the bit 15 value is true from the field, so now my motor will become on. Once from the field value is become 0, then my motor will become off. So like that, you can configure your graphics to show the exact status of the motor or pump or mixer, whatever in the site. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a symbol on off property to show our site status, like either motor is running or motor is stop. So thanks for watching this video.